Hi everyone, this is Bank Nifty 1 minute chart. Today market open, the date is September 26, now the time is 9:15 am. Currently the market is trading around 39,200 range. Every day in this chart you will automatically receive calls like buy or sell, like entry point, target and stop loss. For example, previous day before market closing, a 10 minutes back a buy call generator, that is an example chart, okay. So today a fresh call we are expecting is downtrend only. Already the market is in gap down, so maybe the next call will come only in selling direction only. In this chart we have an advantage. If currently buy call, next sell call. If current situation a sell call is going on means next we can expect a buy call. Whenever a breakout happen, you will receive that call immediately. So from the open point of the candle itself, the market trend will be fixed, like you will get entry, target and stop loss. Currently the buy call is going on, so today market first candle is showing in green color buy trend, but now the trend is changed because of the gap down and also the reason of downside breakout. So now a sell call generated, red color candle open, sell at 39,111 is the entry point for the future trader. Meanwhile option trader can take put option. Below red color lines are the target line. First red color line is the first target, second one is the second target. The first red color line, the difference is huge, 97 point. For second target, it's almost double. Meanwhile, the above line of the entry point is the stop loss line. Within 30 seconds of just now we talk, a entry point came and it break out the target. A 100-point movement given within 1 minute of the sell call. This situation will not happen every day or all time. Let me show a previous call. Previously, a sell call generated previous days ago. So at that time, the entry point 40,782, for 15 minutes it traded at the entry point range only. After 15 minutes only the market started to fall and break out the target. So like this only the market situation will be happen. It's not fixed. You will not get call every day and it will immediately achieve the target. Sometimes after 1 hour also the market will reach the target. That also we have faced a situation. So from today onwards we are going to upload how a call is generating in this signal chart and how it's performing. We are also doing a separate channel, that is NSE Commodity Trader. It's a Tamil channel. This is for all people need to understand English language. So we are doing it in English language. Okay. Now a fourth candle open, that is market opened after 5th minutes. In 5 minutes market achieved second target. The first candle decide the market trend. Second candle the trend changed. The target one also reached. In 5th candle second target also breakout. We have seen how the future chart is working. Let's see option chart. This is Bank Nifty 38,500 put option chart. Currently the market is trading around 39,000 range. So we are showing an out of the money option only. It's a month-end contract because coming Thursday it is expiring. So we are showing a fresh contract only. In this situation at 268 a buy call came. Due to the sell call we are showing it in put option. Okay. So for newcomers I am explaining it. 268 is the entry point that you can see from the first candle, and that first candle reached up to 320 range. Almost at the fourth candle it break out the 360. A 100-point movement, almost a 100-point movement. Meanwhile, a Bank Nifty future achieved the second target range. If you want to subscribe for this chart, you can WhatsApp. We will provide you the details. Kindly send hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.